Hello everyone. Today we're talking about ThermiVA. ThermiVA is a revolutionary treatment for women in terms of vaginal rejuvenation. Historically, before about 2002, 2003, all that we had to offer in terms of vaginal rejuvenation, correcting the laxity that forms in tissues in that area from childbirth or lack of hormones or just from the aging process, before right after the turn of the century, all we had to offer was a scalpel. With surgical vaginal rejuvenation, it involved sewing up the tissues internally, as well as cutting, trimming, nipping, and tucking the tissues externally. Like with any surgery, there was pain, potential complications for bleeding, infection, etc., potential for injury to surrounding structures such as the urethra, and then also as well there was the potential for scarring. Now, about 2003, 2005, lasers came on the scene. We've been using lasers for many, many years to rejuvenate and tighten tissues, primarily in the face, but also on the body. Well, laser vaginal rejuvenation became popular after about 2005, and lasers were used that could be placed internally inside of the vagina, fired, and then it would essentially create tremendous amount of heat in the tissues. Heat, as we know, causes tightening and remodeling of collagen. So that way, the laxity in the vaginal canal could be corrected and improved without actually having to go under the knife. Now, with any laser treatments, as those of you that have had laser treatments done, those can be quite painful because the burst of energy is literally in fractions of a second and is very intense. So therefore, this procedure was somewhat uncomfortable for most people, and then also with the lasers that have been used, there was some degree of tissue destruction inside of the vaginal canal. This led to downtime, some weeping, bruising, discomfort, etc. But things were better after that recovery period. What makes ThermiVA is so revolutionary is that it is a gentle application of heat energy to the areas that have become lax over the years or with time or with childbirth. Restoring the tightness and the firmness to this area leads to tremendous improvement in many symptoms. But the nice thing about ThermiVA, as opposed to the surgery or even the laser rejuvenation, it's not painful. There's absolutely no tissue destruction. There's nothing to recover from. So therefore, there's no downtime. People can resume relations that very same day. And because the heat is applied gently, it can be used to tighten the inside as well as to improve the appearance of the outside by tightening the loose tissues externally. All this without pain, without anesthesia, no downtime, and many patients can see significant improvement after one treatment, even though we generally recommend a series of 3.